All right, I'm on ChatGPT. This is crazy. I said I'll upload a photo of a problem and explain how to, please explain how to start it. It says, go ahead, upload the photo. So I took a screenshot of a problem from an algebra textbook. When the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, the Fahrenheit temperature is 32. When the Celsius temperature is 100, the corresponding Fahrenheit temperature is 212. Express the Fahrenheit temperature as a linear function of C. The Celsius temperature is f of C. So find the rate of change, and then after that, find f of 28, and then find f of negative 40. So it's now reading it. Okay, it's asking us to do all this stuff, whatever. And then, oh, here it goes. You're given 2 points, and it finds, hey, 0, 32 and 102.12. That comes right from the problem here. And it says, well, the formula slope is change in the Fahrenheit divided by change in Celsius. So it actually didn't find the slope, but close enough. But what's cool here is find interpret f of 28 and then f of negative 40. So I think it'll start, let's see here, rate of change. Did it? No, it didn't. I mean, it has, this is the official formula. I don't think we necessarily need that. It wants us to create the graph and then I think more like approximate f of 28 and f of negative 40. So we have here, I said, please create the graph. And it did. Cool. It does all this stuff here. We can see f of 28 is about here and f of negative 40 is about here. And this all looks great. But then I said, please include f of 28 and f of negative 40 in the graph. And it did all this stuff here, did all this programming in the background. Usually this is kind of like that. And it produced the graph. And here is f of 28, which is 82.4, and f of negative 40, which is negative 40. Interesting. So I thought that was pretty cool anyway. So there you go. The more you know.